In the world of technology, everything comes with its own lifespan. For every sunrise, there's a sunset. Every advancement carries with it a finite shelf life. It's the reality of progress. In 1984, we had the 3-pound mobile phone. Remember that? Then came the first smartphone in 1993 with its cutting-edge address book. That led to lightning-fast 2G technology where we could text. But all of these breakthroughs, every last one of them, has gone the way of the dodo bird. Now, here we are. 3G will soon face its own sunset. And LTE represents cellular technology's new dawn. And whether it's mobile phones or, in our case, alarm communicators, keeping pace with rapidly changing technology is critical for your business's success. Adopt and adapt. Tackle a problem before it becomes a larger issue, and in turn, minimize future costs. In the security and home automation marketplace, the future is now. LTE Communicators provide fast, secure, and reliable technology, and early adoption guarantees you and your customers a longer service life. Moving to LTE now couldn't be easier. With a range of scalable communicators tailored to your customer's specific installation and security requirements, Tyco helps ensure the transition is seamless and painless. Yes, the 3G sunset is happening, but with it comes the dawn of a new day. Tyco's LTE alarm communicators can ensure your business is ready for the future today.